What's cooking, foodies? On this episode of Cakes on the Griddle, we are making scrumptious chocolate cherry bread. This makes for a perfect homemade gift for a loved one or friend. So grab your Dutch oven and let's get started. 4 cups all-purpose flour, 12 ounces of lukewarm water, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 1/4 cup dried cherries, 3 ounces coarse chopped dark or milk chocolate. In a stand mixer with dough hook attachment, add your flour, your salt, water, when adding your yeast, make sure it goes into the water to dissolve. Mix on medium speed for 10 minutes. I add the cherries and chocolate halfway through mixing. Once mixed, cut off a piece of dough and stretch it. If you can see light through it without it tearing, then the dough is done. Shape the dough into a ball and place it in a lightly floured proofing basket. Cover and allow to rise for an hour. Then take the dough out of the basket and score the dough. This allows the bread to expand while baking. Place the bread in an oiled or parchment-laden Dutch oven. And you're going to bake this at 450 for 45 minutes. And there you have it, delicious chocolate cherry bread. For more videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.